Stories of survival are coming out of Fredericktown, Missouri, where an even more powerful tornado hit. Fox 2's Andy Banker continues our live team coverage. And Andy, what a story of survival.
Oh, Shirley, and I don't know what's worse, seeing all that aerial footage we've already been showing or seeing things up close here on the ground. Look at this. This is what's left of a brand new camper trailer at an RV lot off of Highway 72. And then up there, if you take a tight, close look at it, that's a 2x4 just stuck right through the back of this brand new camper like it was a spear or something. So where did that wood come from? Follow me over here. From this, which came from the house about 200 feet away. That's the roof in a pile in front of me, and a lot of the wood was just flying around like javelins through the air last night after that tornado went through. There were 5 people inside that house in the basement hoping to make it out alive, and they did. Almost the entire fleet, though, of 50 new campers here at 72 West Motors is destroyed. Campers worth $40,000 to $100,000 or more. Across the highway and nearby fields, the Black River Electrical Co-op is wiped out. Look at the view from Bommarito Automotive Group Skyfox. It's numbing. A number of the repair trucks for the electrical co-op are just sitting there damaged as opposed to being out restoring customers' power right now. Still, a spokesman says enough trucks remain in service and enough have been sent here from other electrical co-ops to help out that about 5,000 of the co-op's 6,400 customers have had their power restored already. And also, no one was in that co-op building when the tornado hit. Not so back at the house. A resident says as the roof was being blown off, he was blinded by attic insulation just swirling like a blizzard on the first floor. He had to run and get his father, who was in a bedroom. He's battling kidney disease and he was asleep.
As this was happening, I ran in my dad's room and just shook him real quick. He jumped up and I just scooped him up like a little baby and ran downstairs.
I've never been through. I've seen this stuff on TV, you know, and different ones. And I've always felt bad for the families, but I never thought I'd be one of them. But I know what it feels like to be one of them now, and it's not a very good feeling.
Yeah, certainly not. But one thing he says does feel good, and that's the response from people just coming to see how he's doing. He says one customer came from Springfield just to check in on him and check out the damage, which was hard to take. He also says that above everything else, everyone is okay, especially his workers. As he put it, his workers mean a lot to him. Same thing for the guy who lives in the home. His family made it through this, and somehow they're all alive and well right now. Power in town. We're on the outskirts of Fredericktown. Power in town comes from another grid. Authorities say customers there are expected to be without power for a number of days. Live in Fredericktown, Andy Banker, Fox 2 News.